Okay, guys, check this out. Pay attention to this because I think I've created something that can make you guys some money, and I'm going to hand it over to you. And I think this can make you money in 3 distinct ways. First of all, it can build your email list so that you can make money on demand like I do. I know that that works. If you want to be able to spend maybe 8 minutes in the morning, compose an email, hit a button, send it out to your email list, and wake up the next day with a couple of $100 to a couple of $1,000 in your PayPal account, pay attention, because this is all done for you and this is going to accomplish that. Or it could accomplish that. I don't guarantee anything. But because this is like 99% all done for you, I think this is a slam dunk. But again, I don't underestimate anybody's stupidity. So anyway, but you'd really have to be an idiot to mess this up. Anyway, okay, enough of that. Let me go on. What you're looking at is a highly optimized hybrid new kind of opt-in page that will build your email list. Now, what I'm doing here is I'm creating 3, this is called a lead magnet, right? The actual product that you're giving people away for free. Now, if you're a total newbie, let me explain and backpedal a little bit. I don't want to go too deep into explaining things that most people already know. But if you want to make money on demand, on autopilot, you want to build up email lists. And for me, I call them my automated income robots, because what they do is I set it up once and people get into the program, and I have an automated system that sends them monetized emails, 1 a day for as long as I want, right? So the system works for me. I don't have to work. This does make money for me on autopilot while I'm out on vacation, while I'm golfing, while I'm goofing around, while I'm sleeping, whatever. No brag, just fact. So let me show you what's doing. This lead magnet, I have created not only lead magnets for you to grab for free. They're done for you. They're hosted for you. Everything is ready to go. You don't need anyway, okay. I don't want to get too ahead of myself here. Just watch the video. So every month you're going to get 3 lead magnets in 3 different niches. And again, I'm giving you this setup, and you can plug in each lead magnet into this. But the cool thing is, not only am I giving you this setup and you can use this for yourself, but I'm giving you the rights to sell it. Now, this is important because back when I was starting out, I paid $400 for a system like this, a done-for-me system. And it wasn't nearly as good as what I'm giving you. So here's what's doing. Let me get into this. Okay, this particular lead magnet is in the video niche. And basically, this one is geared kind of towards B2B, right? So this lends itself really good to running pay-per-click ads on Facebook to people that want to make video adverts, right? Video ads for Facebook or whatever, or people that want to make videos for real estate agents or real estate agents that want to make videos. It's a hungry niche, right? There are a million people out there that want to learn how to make videos fast and easy that make them money. So this is a really in-demand lead magnet. So a lot of people are going to just jump on this and get this. Let me show you how this works because it's kind of a hybrid system. And remember, you're going to get this. So when people click on this, they're going to be taken to a membership page where they can actually register. Well, actually, let me go back and show you because I'm already registered. So, whoops, let me go here and go back. This says log into my account, but if I open it in a private window, sorry about this snafus, but I'm not that great sometimes. Okay, so if I open it in a private window, it says create your account for instant free access. So people enter their email address, they create a password so that they can access the actual training. And let me show you what that looks like once they do that. Now remember, I'm hosting these lead magnets for you. Let me show you what you're getting. So again, this is just a sample, and this is the video product. How to easily make high converting promo videos that make you money. Now this is an interactive lead magnet, and the video is hosted, the lead magnet is hosted, everything is done. I just give you a link to where this is hosted, and you can plug this in and use it however you want. But as you can see, there are several chapters and then sub-chapters in here. And then what happens is when people open this up, they'll click on the plus sign, it'll open up and they'll read each chapter. And as they do that, they click on this completed, and a progress bar shows them how much progress they're making. But anyway, they come through here, and then when they come to this one here, this is the monetize model. This is where the monetization comes in. And I've made this for you, right? So if you look at this, it basically tells people all the pain points about making their own videos up here, right? You know, all the things they need to know, all the things they need to learn, and it's kind of a pain in the ass. But when they come to this last chapter, it says, hey, skip all the hard work and do this instead. This is the easiest way to make great videos in 4 clicks. And then this video, which is actually embedded and hosted for you again, it gives people an alternative. And that alternative is a piece of software that you will be an affiliate for. Now, before we even get into this, I have no affiliation. I'm not a partner. I'm not trying to get you into an affiliate program that makes me money. It makes me zero money. This is for you, right? So down here, you can see it says, be sure to check your inbox for the important email and follow the link in the email. And again, here it talks about the actual software and the benefits of the software. So when people click on that, they're going to be taken via your affiliate link to a product that is going to make you recurring income. All of this is going to be taught to you step by step in the training that you're going to get with this program. So I know this seems like a lot, but there's a lot going on here. I don't want to confuse you too much. I just want to let you know that this is what I've come up with for my members. Now, take a look. Okay, when I say my members, I'm talking about my Kinghuman Elite members. This is my website, thekinghumanelite.com. And it's a self-empowerment and online income training portal where I teach people how to make money on demand like I do. The thing is, I consider myself to be different than all the other guys out there because everybody else out there is teaching something that they want other people to do, but they don't teach what they themselves are doing. I try to teach my members exactly what I am doing, and I try to give them the exact systems and tools. So that's why I made this. This is a new feature in the KinghumanElite.com. This is my lead magnet and content vault system. And in here, here's the training. Here's video 1, video 2, and I think this video is pretty long. I think that video is like a half an hour or something like that. And then here's the done for you funnel where you can just click this and instantly import the funnel that I showed you right into your account, and it's up and running. The only thing you have to do is substitute your own affiliate links into the funnel, and again, you can sell it. You can resell that funnel for whatever amount of money you want. Now, again, remember, I paid $400 for the first funnel that I bought that wasn't even half as good as the one I'm giving you here. So anyway, every month I'm going to give you 3 interactive lead magnets, a minimum of 3 interactive lead magnets, and you can do whatever you want with them. You can resell them, you can use them yourself, And there's another secret way to make money with this recurring income on the back end that I teach my members. I'm not going to teach it here. I'm only going to teach it to my members. So anyway, for the first month, and this is launching on September 1st, you'll be able to access this. First month, the right way to earn through affiliate marketing. Boom, there it is. Follow your passion and make money. How to turn your hobby into a career. Boom. Excellent lead magnet. This one, I've used that subject matter before, and it's made me a ton of money. There's a lot of interest in that. And then the third lead magnet, which is the one I've been demonstrating to you, how to make money with sales videos. Boom. And each one of these things can be easily promoted because the pages are, the template, it's done for you, basically, is what I'm trying to sputter out. And you can really monetize this in 3 ways. The first way, again, use it yourself. Build your email list and make money on demand. Again, you're going to get 3 of these every month. And the other way to make money is sell this to people as a turnkey business. You can sell this for whatever price you want. Again, it's yours to do with what you want. And you can put this on Flippa and sell it. You can put it on eBay and sell it. Now, I suggest that you don't sell it too cheaply because I think it's worth at least a couple of $100 for each one of these. So the fact that you could sell 3 of these a month should be good income for you to begin with. But again, the third way to make money is I have built in a passive income system for you to make money on the back end. Not for me to make money on the back end, for you to make money on the back end. I believe a rising tide raises all boats. So that's the name of that tune. I really think that you're going to like what I've done for you guys and how easy it's going to be for you to get up and running with this in whichever direction you want to go, whether you want to use it yourself, whether you want to sell this website and make instant money and recurring income on the back end, or whatever you want to do. It's up to you. But I think, and I'm not trying to pump sunshine up my own skirt here, I think this is going to help a lot of people. So one more time, the KinghumanElite.com is where you can grab these. You'll be able to get free access to this website for 7 days. And all you have to do is click on this button and you'll be able to register. The cool thing is you're getting free access to this system. You won't be able to access this system until the 1st of September 2020, but it's just a couple of days away. Okay, enough of me. I think I'm being way redundant and saying the same things over and over and over again. So anyway, there it is, guys. Do it, don't do it. It's your life. What do I care? Maximum respect. All the best. Bye, Inara. Cheers.